Give me my egg. And I truly, honestly, cross my heart, hope to die, stick a needle in my eye, promise that I did not do that on purpose. I truly think I was stretching at that moment, and I just didn't pay attention to how I was saying it. Moan compilation. Do I do it that often? Be honest. Rosemi would approve. Oh. Stretch! Me too! Oh! What do you mean, stretch now? Guess I could do some stretching. Stretch. Stretch! Okay. Hold on, let me get on the floor. Let me touch my toes. Let me touch my toes. I'm not flexible. I'm not very flexible. Let me touch my toes. Okay. Don't forget to stretch. Everyone stretch. Don't forget to stretch. Don't forget to hydrate. Big stretch. Oh, I gotta stretch. Everyone stretch. Everyone, stretch with your arms. Stretch your legs. Oh. Okay. Okay. Everyone stretch. I'm just so sexy, okay? I'm just so sexy, like so naturally sexy. Okay?
I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts.